What's up guys, Campement here. So today I'm going to show you how you can download Lock HTML4 on your iDevice. So this is a paid tweak in Cydia, and by this method you can download it for free. If you type Lock HTML4 in Cydia, you may get this bunch of tweaks, and if you go in this, if you install this Xarold tweak, so your device will go in safe mode, and you have to restart it and jailbreak by pp app. So I have a method by which you can install it and it will work. So first thing you have to do is go to sources and go to source and add one source. The source will be in the description. I'll show you which is the source. So this is the source, this one, as you can see, Insane LYI repository. So this is the repo you need to install before installing this tweak. So after install that repo, you have to go in search and type Lock HTML. If you open it, so you will get this one, Insane LY community app. So you have to install it. The proof is that it is working is that if you go in the paid one, so it will load, and here you have to see, here you can see that purchase product, and you have to pay $1 to purchase it. And please write this or remember this build number 1.1.1-1. so this is the build number for the original one, and if you go in any of them, so you will see this different paid build number in Xarold one. And if you go in this Insane LYI repo one, so here you can see the same build number 1.1.1-1. so you have to install it. After you install it, so you have to go in settings and then scroll all the way down till you see Lock HTML4. You have to enable it and select a widget. So you have to, if you are using iPhone 6 or 6s, so you have to install one widget which I am using. So the name for it is Grand LS, and if you want to install it for 12-hour time, you can install it for 12-hour and 24-hour too. So Grand LS, and you have to scroll until you see IP6 12-hour. So I have downloaded it, and there is a 24-hour option also. And then if you select that widget and enable it, so on your lock screen you will be able to see this clean look. Thank you guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please like on this video, please put a like on this video, subscribe to my channel.